Alright guys, we got let me wipe the lens off, 2008 Ford E250. This is a 5.4, we're replacing the alternator, which is right here. This is very simple to replace. First step is obviously you need to disconnect the battery terminals. Second step is you're gonna have this air box like that, and the other piece is right there. Just disconnect this clamp, and then that piece is attached right here. It just slides off, and then this is gonna have two 8mm bolts that are right here, and the other two is right here. Take those 4 bolts off, 8mm, and loosen this clamp right here. That's also an 8mm. So just pull it out on the side like this. Once you do that, remove the belt. You don't have to remove it all the way. There's the belt tensioner right there. So you just put a ratchet there and turn it clockwise to release the tension, and then you can slide the belt off. Once you do that, it's got 2 bolts here, 10mm, 1 and 2, and then this is a bracket holding the back of it. You just have to remove this bolt right here. Okay, and then remove the 2, you see it's already loose, 2 10mm bolts. So remove that. Once you remove that, then you have more room to remove the wires. You got this wire and you got this connector right here, and this has got a 10mm, I think 10mm bolt in the back. Then the alternator just comes out. Pretty simple. Hope this video helps you. If it does, please subscribe. Thank you.